This is just a look at the charts themselves. So let's see if we can zoom in here on this. What we're looking at here, this is kind of just a brief overview of, what you are seeing here. And I know it might look like a mess of everything, but like what we're going to do is, you will eventually learn like what to put on your charts as well. So we'll like actually give you the settings for our, we call the BB bands here. They're similar to the Bollinger Bands, but they're not. They're custom made. And then we will give you the settings for any of the moving averages, things like that, so that your screen can look as close to ours as possible. Going over the arrows, pretty simple is, you see the arrows. It's kind of cursors to when to take trades. I'll go over real quick what the arrows are. Yellow arrows tend to be, what's going to happen right now. Same with the yellow reds, as you can see them there as they're pushing down on this one. Blues tend to be, okay, there is a possible reversal coming. Sometimes it takes a little bit to turn them around, but it's just like a pre-warning that, hey, with some help or some other signals that this could be a possible turning point. So that's when you're looking to, some swing traders take, big swing trades off of the blues because they travel for days, even from blue to blue. Short term wise, depending if you're a scalper, swing trader, a long term trader, some people use the weekly blues to go for weeks and, a whole month at a time. So it just kind of depends on where you're at. It's all pretty self-explanatory. You have some blues, see like here it's coming. Well, now you got some help. There's a possible down move here. Thing that we always look to is that if there's conflicting signals like this, ups and downs, most likely the ups, like, the stronger long-term signals will win. So we go through this in depth. I just wanted you to get used to kind of what the screen looked like. We will get you set up with all the charts, all the moving averages, the bands, anything like that. And then, you will always be able to use the arrows on here live. And that should be all I have for this video, and we'll go further in depth on the next one.